Oh my goodness, look what's coming.
Winter time.
Wow. Today we're just sitting around the house and didn't have nothing to do. So we're going bowling. But we're not going bowling to our normal place. We're going bowling to the new bowling lanes on the Navy base.
And
right?
then after that, we're going to the beach and have some
Refreshments.
like beer.
Refreshments like beer. The bowling alley on the base has been closed down for, I think, almost a year. Seems like almost a year. Well, yeah, from Typhoon Mangkhut.
Yes, almost. Yeah, it's about almost a year now.
Mangkhut hit. It tore up the roof a little bit and destroyed a lot of the lanes in the bowling alley. Actually, I think it destroyed all the lanes. It's been a slow process for rehabbing them, but I think from what we hear, all the lanes have been replaced. So we're going to check it out today. But first we got to stop and get our bowling balls at the bowling alley because that's where we keep our bowling balls. So bowling balls first. We're here at the bowling alley and got to get my balls. Fun. Actually, half a day of fun.
Yeah, pretty much.
We already spent the morning, and then we took a nap. Now it's going to be the rest of the day. We live in the heart of Tamuning, Guam, which is the most populated village, I guess you'd say, on the island. And we're heading about 12.5 miles south to the Navy base where the bowling alley is. And we'll be there in about 25 minutes. Capital of Guam, which is Agana, along the ocean front here. This is not the heart of Guam. Tamuning is the heart of Guam, but this is the, I guess, the commerce center of Guam, or the business center.
Practicing the release
without it. Need it. I'm not sure what they're doing here at this road. They changed the lanes. Put a little bend in the road here, a detour. Nobody's following the lines. They must be got something planned for the future. Coming up on Big Navy. Well, I didn't see no sign that said no photography, but that doesn't mean you can't take photography. I know on the flight line, like at Air Force Base, they don't let you take no pictures on the flight line.
But I did anyway.
Yeah. One time at, where was that, Anderson, right? We were up at Anderson.
No, that was back in Clark.
We were at Clark and doing a Space A flight, and we're standing on a tarmac getting ready to get loaded onto a C-40, and Terry's standing there doing video and taking pictures, and the sign in the terminal says no, absolutely no photography.
But I did not see that.
She did not see the sign, and nobody said nothing to her. She didn't get arrested and thrown in jail. She's still with me. Huh.
Yeah.
See that concrete carabao? It was a concrete carabao. You had to be paying attention. Terry and I spend a few days a week at, right there. A couple hours in the morning, about 3 or 4 days a week. Keep us both looking beautiful and healthy, hopefully. And we're almost there. Well, after a long absence, we're here at the bowling alley. Let me check it out. How you doing? We're on lane 2. Huh? Oh, new chairs. Oh, lane 2 is good. Wow, everything's new, huh? Everything is brand spanking new. We're going to check out the lanes and see how they work. Actually, what I mean is, we're going to check out the lanes and see how the balls work on the new wood, on the new lanes. They look synthetic, so I'm not sure. I look to be on track for a pretty good game here. 5th frame only. I need more strikes. These machines are so smart, it even tells you how fast your ball travels in miles per hour. Alright, not bad. Finished with a decent score. Beer hasn't kicked in yet. Oh my goodness, look what's coming. Wow. Believe this or not, 45 years ago, when I lived on this island, I used to bowl and work at this bowling alley part-time. Yep. Things have changed. And this ends our bowling adventure for today. Off to the beach. Well, bowling was fun.
Bought me new shoes too.
She got new shoes. The most expensive thing about that whole thing was the new shoes, but if it wasn't for the shoes, the most expensive thing about bowling day was the beer. The bowling was only $8. The pizza was $11, and the beer was
$4 a piece.
$16 for two beers a piece. $16. Oh, I might start my own brewery at that price. All right, we're here at a place called Paseo. Place called the Paseo. And we're gonna check out the beach. Actually, the harbor, the ocean. All right, so here we are on the ocean's edge in Guam. And we're just chilling out here, drinking some beer, and gonna watch the sunset at the harbor's entrance. Three strikes in a row and a spare. Better take a break. Okay, the beer's making me hungry. We're gonna eat pizza. Something beeping. See front desk. See front desk.